It's June 28th. I'm here at the no dig deep mulch, or the mulch is pretty well settled down on this garden. It's after work. It's probably about 8:30. Sun's going down. Strawberries are starting to do a little better here. Sitting under the shade of that squash plant right there. I believe those are acorn type squash plants. Got some scallions, green onions there that are doing pretty well. Oh, some broccoli, some basil. Calabrese broccoli. I'm not real crazy about that. It's really spicy flavored, huge plant, super tall, leggy. Not much in the way of broccoli on it. A couple of kale plants here that are doing real well. Tomatoes, of course, always enjoy this system. They are well over belly button height now. Probably closing in on a good 4.5 feet. The rabbit has been in here. He's been tearing into my lettuce pretty good this year. Still got some good. What I really have been pleased with is the oak leaf. That stuff has been real good. Butter crunch, the slugs decimated the butter crunch. Didn't get much out of that. The oak leaf, got that seed from M.I. Gardner. Don't know what those are going to be. It's a Burpee's assorted mix of hot peppers. So, not sure what's going to come of that. They do seem to be taking off finally. Boy, it was a struggle. The rabbit kept eating them off, and they had a tough time getting going. As you can see, I spread some, it's a mixture of rotted hay bale and those fall leaves from the previous Ruth Stout style video. I got some purple potatoes back in there. That's about the third year for those. I just keep replanting them every year. I've never tried eating them yet, so I don't know how they taste. Got some beets going here, or trying to. Some more oak leaf lettuce going there, but had a nurse crop of radishes. Had a hell of a time with those beets. The rabbit has come through and cleaned them off for me now. Anyway, just a nice peaceful evening out here, checking out the garden. Love the deep mulch. I don't have to spend very much time weeding at all. Very little weeding involved out here. There's a little parsley plant trying to get going. He'll make something eventually. The peach did not make it. The moles, I think the moles ate so much of the root system, undermined the rest of it. It started to bud out and then just died. Anyway, and I've got some weird stuff going on with the tomato leaves. There's well, you can see that. Those are pink girl tomatoes, and the two of those have got that stuff real bad. Again, I don't know what it is, but as you can see, I pruned off all the branches up about 8 inches, 12 inches off the ground to try and keep the soil from splashing on them, on the leaves. This is called, I believe it's a Burpee variety called First Lady, and it does not have any of that spotted leaf stuff on it. It's looking real healthy. I don't know how the tomatoes will be on it or anything. It's the first year for it, but seems to be resisting the whatever that manner of badness is. Anyway, just an update. Have a good one.